Welcome to MH class. Today we will discuss a LPP, that is linear programming problem related to transportation. Okay, three types of problems: so dilatation, transportation. Already we have discussed about the dilatation. Okay, so today we will discuss about the transportation. And this problem is taken from the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 12 of the textbook. Question number 6. To go down, A and B have grain capacity 100 quintals and 50 quintals. A has 100 quintals, A has 100 quintals, and B has 50 quintals. This means quintals respectively. They supply to three ration shops. D, E, F. They are supplied to three ration shops whose requirements are 60, 50 and 40 quintals. That means D needs 60, E needs 50 and F needs 40 quintals respectively. The cost of the transportation per quintals from the godowns to the shops are given below, given in the following table. What is the cost price? That is given in this way. That is shop from D, from ration shop to godown A 6 rupees per quintal, godown B 4 rupees per quintal. From ration shop E to godown A 3 rupees per quintal, from B 2 rupees per quintal, F 2.5 rupees per quintal, and from F to A 2.5 rupees, and from F to B 3 rupees per quintal. Now how should the supplier be transported in order that the transportation cost is minimum? How should it transported? The transportation cost is minimum. What is the minimum cost? What is the minimum cost? That we need to find out. Okay. For this this information is given. Now we have to make the LPP of this information and we have to solve this. Okay, let us see. Let the godown A transport X quintals to the ration shop D, Y quintals to the ration shop E. Godown A it has the capacity was 100 quintals. So the remaining 100 minus X minus Y quintals to the ration shop F. That is from A to D, X, E, Y, F is 100 minus X minus Y. This is the supply from A to this ration shop. Okay. Let us see. If we make it a table, then what will get? This is the godown A with capacity 100 quintals. It has 100 quintals capacity. This is the godown B. This is A, this is B. Okay, be careful. This is B. This is A. We can write this way also, A, B. And this is D. These are the ration shop D, then E, then F. These are the ration shop. Okay. D needs 60 quintals, requirement 60 quintals. E requirements 50 quintals, and F requirements 40 quintals. These are the requirements. From A to D, transportation per quintal rupees 6. From A to E 3 rupees. From A to E 3 rupees per quintal, 3 rupees. From A to F 2.5 rupees. Okay. Now we assume that from A to D we are supplying X quintals. We are supplying from A to D. If A to D X quintals, D needs 60 quintals. So from B how much we can take? 60 minus X quintals, because B requirement is 60 quintals. Already from A, the shop D already taken X quintals. So remaining part From where he will carry? He will carry from go down B, and that the remaining part is what? 60 minus x. And for this 60 minus x, transportation expenditure is rupees 4 per quintal. Now from A to E, y quintals. From A to E, y quintals. But E has requirements is 50 quintals. So remaining, what are the remaining? 50 minus y, that carry from, that will carry from where? From go down B, at the transportation cost is rupees 2. Transportation cost is rupees 2. This transportation cost is rupees 4. And now see, A to F, this 100 minus x minus y, this much requirements. Go down A can supply to F is 100 minus x minus y. Transportation cost is 2.5 rupees. 2.5 rupees. Now, how much transportation resistance of F can carry from go down B? Go down B has a 50. So, how much he will carry? What is the remaining? 50 minus, from here 60 minus x, from here 50 minus x. So 60 minus x plus 50 minus y. From 50, we have to subtract these two parts. Then the remaining part will go to this one. So if we simplify this, what will be 50-50 cancel. So minus x will be plus x because minus sign is there. Plus x plus y minus 60. This part will be collect from the go down B by the resistance of F. Okay. Now let Z be the total transportation cost. We are taking that Z is the subjective function, that is the total transportation cost. So what will be the total transportation cost? Z is equal to, what will write? 6x, 6 into x, 6x, plus 3 into y, 3y, plus 2.5 into, that is transportation expenditure, x quintal per rupees 6, so 6x, y quintal per rupees 3, 3y, 10, 100 minus x minus y quintals per rupees 2.5, so 2.5 into 100 minus 10 minus x, okay, 100 minus x minus y. Here plus 4 into 60 minus x, plus 2 into 50 minus y, plus 3 into x plus y minus 60, that we will write. And if we simplify, we are getting, if we remove the brackets, we will get 2.5x plus 1.5y plus 410. This is the objective function. 2.5x plus 1.5y plus 410. Thus mathematical formula of the LPP is what? Z minimum 2.5x plus 1.5y plus 410. This is 410. Okay. Subject to the constraints. What are the subject to the constraint? This 100 minus x minus y must be less or equal to, this is less or equal, that means what? X plus y must be less than or equal to 100. X minus y must be less than or equal to 100. Okay. X plus y less than 60. That means what? Greater than 0. X plus y minus 60 greater than 0. That should be greater than 0. Okay. All these things should be greater than 0. That is 100 minus x minus y greater or equal to 0. That means what? X plus y less or equal to 100. This is one constant. From here what will get? X plus y minus 60. All these things should be greater than 0. That is x plus y greater or equal to 0. These are the constraints. So this is first constraint, this is second constraint, then x is less than 60. X is less than 60. This x quintals, x is less than, it should be less than 60, less or equal to 60. Then y is less or equal to 50 because this is requirement is 50, highest requirement is 50. So y must be less than 50, and x and y both should be greater or equal to 0. Now if we draw the graph of these constraints, for the drawing the graph, let's see. So x plus y is equal to 100, we'll make the table this way: x is equal to 0, y is equal to 100, x is equal to 100, y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 60, 60, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 60, and y is equal to 50, x is equal to 60. Now if you draw the graph, these are the graph. See, this is the line of x plus y is equal to 100. This line x plus y is equal to 100. This is the graph x plus y is equal to 100. Okay, this is the graph of x plus y is equal to 60. This is the graph of x plus y is equal to 60. This is the line x plus y is equal to 60. Next is x is equal to 60, this one, and y is equal to 50, this one. But one thing is that x is less than 60 means this contains involving the origin. Y is less than 50 means this involving the origin. But x and x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. So it cannot be all the points lies in between the first quadrant only. It cannot go beyond of that. Okay, so that this part we can do. But here x plus y is less or equal to 100. X plus y is less or equal to 100 means what? Which part? This part. Origin is containing, so this part. But x plus y is greater than 60. Origin is not containing, so away from the origin means this part. So ultimate, what is the region? Feasible region. This part is the feasible region we will get. If we take the common points, common part, this is the common part. What is the common part? A, B, C, D. This is the common part we are getting. This is the feasible region. So what are the corner points? A 60, 0, B 60, 40, C 50, 50, and D is 10, 50. These are the corner points. Now we will find out the values of these corner points. These are the corner points, and if we find out the values of these corner points, A is equal to 60, 0, Z is equal to what? This part is 0. This 2.5 into 60 is how much? 150. This part is 0. 150 plus 410 is equal to how much? 560. This is Z. This one Z, 40 into 60, 250, 2.5 into 40, that is 2.5 into 40. This corner B is not 40 into 60, 40. This is 60, 40. B is 60, 40. B corner point B is 60, 40. Okay. So be careful to find out the corner points. So 150 plus 40 is how much? 40 into 1.54, 15 is 60. That is 60 plus 410, and the calculation, if you do the calculation, 620. Next, Z is equal to 50, 50. Next corner point is 50, 50. That is 2.5 into 50. What will get? 125 plus 75 plus 410. This is equal to how much? 610. Next, Z is equal to 10, 50. If you multiply by 10, that is 25. 50, 5 into 15 is 75 plus 410. This is nothing but what? 510. So out of these four values, this is the minimum. This is the minimum. So the Z minimum is at what? At 10, 50, and minimum value is this one, that is rupees 510 is the minimum cost price. So in this we have to solve. So this is the value of x. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 50, then only minimum. That means from here you can say from godown A to ration shop D only 10 quintals were sending. Godown A to ration E, how many quintals? we are sending 50 quintals. From here we are sending 10 quintals. From here we are sending 50 quintals, 10, 50, 100. Then from here we are sending 40 quintals. In this way we are sending the things. If 10 quintals, from here how much will come? 60 minus x, that is 50 quintals. From here he is taking 50 quintals. From go down B, this is already 50, so go down B nothing he is carrying. Okay, 50 minus 50 is 0. And from go down B, this F, that is go down B has 50 quintals already. Okay, so x plus y, 10 plus 50, 60, 60 minus 60 is 0. Already 50 is taken to restaurant shop D, so this go down B is empty. Go down B is empty, so go from go down B, E and F are not taking anything. Okay, this way you have to solve the question. Thank you. Have a nice day.